In our hyper-connected world, keeping your digital identity private and secure is paramount. I'm going to share 5 tips for ethical hackers to keep their privacy safe. Tip number 1. Harness the power of multi-factor authentication. By combining something you know, like a password, with something you have, like a fingerprint, you create a layered defense. This significantly reduces the chance of an unauthorized breach, as an intruder would need both your password and your biometric data. Tip number 2. Utilize AI-based security software. AI tools use machine learning to identify and adapt to new threats faster than human analysts. They monitor for unusual behavior, detect anomalies, and can take immediate action to halt potential attacks, providing you with a dynamic shield against evolving cyber threats. Tip number 3. Take advantage of anonymous web browsers. These browsers, like Tor, prioritize user privacy by encrypting your internet activity and bouncing it through a network of servers globally. This ensures your IP address, location, and browsing behavior are kept concealed. Tip number 4. Explore blockchain-based solutions. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, uses a decentralized and immutable ledger system. This makes it highly resistant to tampering, ensuring your personal information and transactions are securely stored and transmitted. Tip number 5. Step into the future with quantum encryption. Quantum encryption uses the principles of quantum mechanics to encrypt data. Any attempt to intercept the data changes its state, alerting the recipient to the breach. It's considered the next frontier in secure communications, potentially offering near-unbreakable encryption. With these techniques, you're one step ahead of the game. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.